Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals -18. Which of the following could be an expression for x, for f of x? So here a is given as x plus 1 times x minus 3 over x minus 15 times x minus 3. B is x plus 17 times x minus 8 over x plus 17 times x plus 18. C is x plus 1 times x minus 4 over x minus 14 times x plus 1. And D is x minus 5 times x plus 18 over x plus 18 times x minus 17. If you're talking about a vertical asymptote, we're talking about the denominator of a given any rational function. So the denominator of this function, let me erase this, we're going to have x plus 18. Why do we need this? Because it's whatever in the numerator and denominator doesn't really matter, because when you solve it for x plus 18 for 0, you will take away 18 from both sides, and you're going to get x equals -18. Since in the question they indicated that this rational function has an asymptote at x equals -18, in the denominator we must have x plus 18. So with this information, if you will just go through the choices. In choice A, we don't have any denominator x plus 18, so we will just go ahead and eliminate the choice A. In choice B, we have x plus 18, so and this x plus 17 are canceling each other out. So this is actually the format and the answer we're looking for. So, but I want to go through the other choices. Choice C, x plus 1 times x minus 4. As you can see in the denominator, we don't have x plus 18. In D, we have x plus 18 in the denominator. However, we have also x plus 18 in the numerator. So these cancels each other out, and the final version of this rational function becomes x minus 5 over x minus 17. So denominator is not x plus 18 anymore. Because of that, D will be not the answer. But our final answer is, again, choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.